Hey guys, I'm here today to share with you an awesome resource we have here at Epic Charter Schools, and that is our Epic Ed website. So first I'm going to show you how to get to it, and you are going to go to epiccharterschools.org. Once you're to this screen, you're going to click the Resources tab and scroll down to where it says Epic Ed Resources, and then this will take you to the Epic Ed website. A link directly to this website and this how-to video are both going to be included in your learning plan so that you can access it anytime. Now, this is where there are hundreds, if not thousands, of lesson plans housed for all grade levels, K through 12th grade, for teachers to use and for parents and students to use in their learning. So, when will I use this? I use this website to get PowerPoints that I use whenever I'm teaching a one-on-one lesson with your child. I use it to figure out which IXL lessons correlate with their state standard. So up here at the top, you have pre-K through 2nd, 3rd through 5th, 6th through 8th, 9th through 12th, ACT, first 10 days stuff. So I'll just take you on a quick tour, pre-K through 2nd. Once you get to the grade level, you'll see a calculator for math, a book for ELA, the globe is for social studies, and then the microscope is for science. So I have that for every grade level. So if I click one, I'll just go to kindergarten. These are the topic areas for each of the standards. So I can click here to go to it. And then I have Khan Academy videos that teach this skill, IXL lessons that teach this skill, and then Epic lessons. So when I click the Epic lesson, it's going to open up a Google slideshow. And so if you notice that your child is struggling on a certain topic and you want to help them, then you can log in, or you don't even have to log in. You can go to the Epic Ed website, find the skill that you're working on, and then you can go through the presentation with them. And it has fun videos, games, all of those things. So going back to the Epic Ed website, I'm going to click Home, and then I can scroll down here, calculator information. If I want to know which grade levels get to use a calculator and which calculator can they use, I'm going to click this circle. If I am in 6th, 7th, or 8th grade or practicing for the ACT, I can click the formula sheets. Remember that if you are in one of these grade levels, you can use this on all of your benchmark tests, any work that you do throughout the week. Now, ACT, you don't get to take this test or this sheet with you to the test, but this will at least give you some information of the formulas you need to memorize for the test. And then the other great one right here is this OAS alignments tab. So when I click this circle, I can go to whatever grade subject. So if I go to 4th grade ELA, this tells me which standards are tested the most on the Oklahoma State test, how many questions there typically is on the state test for each standard. Then it goes down and it breaks it up. So here is standard 4th grade, standard 2, phonics and word study, standard 1. So I can click here to open up the homework help PDF, which is kind of just like a worksheet, something that they would have gone over with their tutor. So I can go here to pull that up. I can look for a lesson plan that'll go through a PowerPoint presentation teaching that standard. And then once we get down here into other topics, I have IXL lessons that correlate with this standard, vocabulary videos, and then other instructional videos from other Epic teachers and specialists at Epic. So this is all housed on the Epic Ed website. I will pull things from this to put on your child's learning plan, but you can also log in and, like for that one standard we were just at, there were 2 instructional videos. Well, I might only put 1 on their learning plan, but if you see that they need more help, we can direct them to come back here to Epic Ed, find that standard that they're working on, and then they can use any of these resources to help them learn the content. I hope that you find this website helpful, and I hope that you guys use it this school year. And if you need more direction on this, please reach out and I'd be happy to help you. Thanks.